So what's up, y'all? This is my classroom. I'm gonna give you a little video tour of the classroom. So that's my little welcome mat or welcome sign. Room A1. Okay, we have a little bit of a winter theme happening, so naturally made some snowmen. That one's falling down. I'll get it later. Some snowmen. And keeping up with the winter theme, we have our snowflakes coming down the ceiling. It was all part of our little chocolate winter wonderland for Christmas, or shall I say holiday break, for those of you who don't celebrate Christmas. Over here is this tree. This tree is going to be a constant in my room. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it next, but I think it's going to have something to do with the writing process. It's got this right here. In the winter, frost begins to cover the trees. Everything can change. Nothing stays the same. Just like our writing process. This is where I'm going to put the pictures that they make for the theme. Decodable poster. Rules. Need to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, this is what's called the word pattern board. See the little different patterns? SPR, STR, etc. Short U sound. Need to update that. Aha! What have we got here? Some of my students writing. What does it say up there? Ignore that box. Our writing. See how we have improved as the months go by. Yeah, let's see. Look at that. Yeah, each month they write a little bit about what they learned and draw a picture of themselves. And hopefully they make some improvements. This is my little area over here. This is where the magic happens, I guess you could say. All the planning usually goes on right here at this very spot. It's a miniature version of the sound cards that Shorty made me. Took a lot of work. She scanned the sound cards, so appreciate her. Kleenex box that they always waste. Gotta regulate that. Cabinets, supplies. These are labeled. All the sharp pencils go in there. Scissors. This is our high frequency word board. These are the words that they just need to know, learn, memorize. It's our focus board. It's tough to focus on it. It's down here, but this is where they sit a lot, so this is where they get their theme, name of the story that they're reading, with the vocabulary, this week's and last week's spelling words, this week's and last week's high frequency words, which are also up here. Some strategies. Down here we have our today is, yesterday was, tomorrow will be, that sort of thing. Right here we have our sound cards. these are going to help the students ultimately learn to read and write. Let's use our sound cards to help us spell. This was compliments of Shorty too. She took probably an entire day to work on those, so I want to thank her. She scanned the originals. Number chart, universal access time rules, some keywords for math word problems so they can get a little hint. A little menu for universal access times, like kind of like independent work time that they need to do. Must do's first, then the may do's. We got the rest, the original sound spelling cards that Shorty scanned for me. That's the real time on a Saturday night. I've officially turned into a cornball because I'm here on a Saturday night at almost 8 o'clock.